Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Dell Precision workstation. We're talking about the OWC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM memory module. Specifically, this is a PC4-25600 module with a CL22 latency and operates at 1.2V. It's a 260-pin non-ECC SODIMM, making it compatible with a range of Dell Precision laptops, including the 7550, 7560, 7730, 7740, and 7750 models. Now, why is RAM so important? Well, it's your system's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more applications and data your computer can handle simultaneously without slowing down. This is especially crucial for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, CAD work, and running virtual machines, all common workloads for precision laptops. The OWC module offers a significant upgrade path, especially if you're currently running with 16 GB or even 8 GB of RAM. Bumping up to 32 GB can make a noticeable difference in multitasking and overall system responsiveness. Programs will load faster, you'll experience less lag when switching between applications, and you'll be able to work with larger files more efficiently. The 3200 MHz speed is also a key factor. It dictates how quickly data can be transferred between the RAM and the processor. A faster speed like 3200 MHz ensures that your CPU isn't waiting around for data, leading to smoother performance. The CL22 latency refers to the delay between when a request for data is made and when the data is available. Lower latency is generally better, but in real-world usage, the difference between CL22 and slightly lower latencies might not be noticeable for most users, especially when compared to the jump in capacity from upgrading to 32 GB. The fact that this is a SODIMM, small outline dual inline memory module, is important because it's the form factor used in laptops. Make sure to check your laptop specifications to confirm that it uses SODIMM memory before purchasing. Also, this is non-ECC memory, which is standard for most laptops. ECC, error-correcting code. Memory is typically used in servers and high-end workstations where data integrity is paramount. For typical professional use on a Dell Precision laptop, non-ECC memory is perfectly adequate. Installation is generally straightforward. Consult your Dell Precision laptop service manual for instructions on how to access the memory slots. Usually, it involves removing a bottom panel and carefully inserting the SODIMM module into the slot until it clicks into place. Always make sure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from the power adapter before performing any hardware upgrades. OWC is a reputable brand known for producing high-quality memory modules. They often offer a lifetime warranty on their RAM, which provides peace of mind. Overall, the OWC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM is a fantastic upgrade option for Dell Precision 7550, 7560, 7730, 7740, and 7750 users looking to boost performance and improve multitasking capabilities. It's a relatively affordable way to breathe new life into your workstation and ensure it can handle demanding workloads with ease. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.